Hey, what's going on? Hope everyone is having a great day. So I haven't been posting that much on YouTube recently as I was busy with running a TikTok shop, managing clients' shops. So I want to do a quick video here though to share an amazing resource that I feel like a lot of people don't really pay attention to, but I think they should, which is TikTok Shop Academy. So I'm sure if you are a shop seller or you are interested in getting onto the platform, you probably have a ton of questions. There are a ton of roadblocks that you just find very overwhelming. And personally, as an agency, we are here to help our sellers. We're here to help our clients to answer their questions. And time again, what I've realized is I will always come back to the TikTok Shop Academy to find my answers. So that is why I feel like if you are currently a shop seller that is running into many issues and you don't seem to have an idea of what's going on, I strongly recommend you to start here. Start with reading through TikTok Shop Academy, going over every article, going over every tutorial that TikTok Shop provides. I think this will put you in a much better position. So I will link this website in the description below, and I highly recommend you checking out. So this is basically where the homepage for the TikTok Shop Academy. And if I scroll down, you can see TikTok is hosting these kind of webinars to really further educate sellers as well as creators about this platform, about how to really go about it. And they're also very helpful and insightful FAQ pages that you can look through to understand registration, onboarding, orders and payment, and shopping campaigns. And before you even register for a shop, this is what I recommend every seller to do. Go through the courses, look at the guides, and look at the policies so that you have a holistic understanding of what needs to happen, how you can stay compliant, and for the fulfillment, for the backend, and for marketing, what it takes to see success on TikTok Shop. So, and I guess a lot of, and the reality is, I would say 99% of the shop sellers have not gone through this. And as we are a verified shop partner with TikTok Shop, folks from TikTok always tell us, please educate your sellers, your clients, that TikTok Shop Academy is a tremendously helpful resource that they should visit often. And this is also my recommendation to you as an individual seller, which is please learn, read, and understand the deep details that TikTok Shop Academy provides. And besides the product update, there are also different categories that you can go into and really learn what it takes to sell and to achieve success on this platform. So that is basically it for this video. I really wanted to simply share this amazing platform, this resource information hub that I just feel like not a lot of sellers, virtually no one is really utilizing besides maybe service provider like ourselves or even internal TikTok Shop team is constantly updating this. But it's such a hidden gem, and I wish more people are utilizing, especially if you want to see success on TikTok Shop. One lesson I learned is TikTok knows what they are doing. They are the expert at this. And you want to learn from them. You want to learn how they are thinking about their platform, what they are building to make sure that you stay ahead of the curve and understanding what are the new features and new opportunities that you can jump on right away. So this is just a quick update on this. And I'm coming back to content and going to create a bit more videos around TikTok Shop moving forward, and I really wanted to double down on helping more sellers getting success on this platform in 2024. So stay tuned for more videos.